Okay, this is a very quick drain test of a Turnigy 2.8 amp 4-cell 30C lipo. Apologies, that's upside down. A bit of a rough testing rig here. So I'm discharging the lipo using a 2.2 ohm 200 watt pure resistive load. I don't know whether you can see, but there's two resistors in there. With thermal epoxy between the two heatsinks, and it's getting quite toasty, so I won't put my hand on that for too long. And so far I've pulled 2.4 amps out of this pack, and it's down to 14.49 volts. As you can see, it's been pulling a constant, or roughly constant, between 100 and 82 watts. I have tested the battery voltage, and we are 3.66 across all of the cells, so they are balanced well. I did balance charge it beforehand. It is, however, it's getting quite warm. So given that this is a 30C lipo, and I've been pulling maybe 2.5 C out of it, probably wouldn't want to discharge at a much faster rate than say 10 amps for any length of time. We'll just use the DVM again just to double check the voltage. There you go, 14.46, 14.4. So the Eagle Tree e-logger is pretty accurate. What does this say? 14.5. So that one's ever so slightly over voltage. Yes, 2.5 amps taken, and 14.4 on the lipo. So I'll take it off, let it sit for half an hour, and then I'll charge it using my iCharger, and we'll see what the charger says gets put back in. So 2.5 amps taken down to 14.4 volts. 14.4. Check back soon. Bye for now. Okay, so part 2 of the lipo test. I've let it sit for a couple of minutes just to see what the resting voltage was after it's discharged. So as you can see, we took 2,572 milliamps out of the battery. So that's 2,572 out of a 2.8 amp pack. And the voltage has settled at 14.6 volts. 14.69. And that's roughly 3.66 across all of the cells. Yep, looks good. I'll give it another 10 minutes and I'll put the battery on charge. And hopefully it's cooled down enough by then as well, because it's definitely warm to the touch. Anyway, come back for part 3.